Hello, and welcome to this week's Beginner's English Vocabulary video. This week, we will look at the vocabulary of 12 colours. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video. Please take the chance to test your knowledge with our colours quiz, coming soon. Anyway, let's start with the first word. The first colour is red. This is red. This colour is blue. This is blue. Here is green. This colour is green. This colour is yellow. Here is yellow. Here is black. This is the colour black. This colour is white. Here is white. This is the colour of purple. This is purple. Here is orange. This colour is orange. This colour is pink. This is pink. Here is brown. This colour is brown. Here is grey. This is the colour of grey. The final colour is gold. Here is gold. Thank you for joining us today. If you have any questions about colours and their vocabulary, please send a message in the comments box below. Don't forget to like our video to help us gain more viewers and to expand our channel in order to provide you with an even better experience. Why not press the subscribe button and bell notification icon so you never miss one of our future videos. Our quiz video is coming out very soon, so why not test your knowledge by watching this to test how many colours you can identify when the quiz video is released. Anyway, thank you for joining us again today, and we'll see you again next week. Goodbye.